Do you want to sell your house for cash in Charleston? If so, then you're in the right place, because we're the Need a Fair offer and we buy houses in Charleston. We pay cash for houses in any condition, and we can close in as little as 10 days. Why sell your house for cash? There are many reasons why people choose to sell their house for cash. Perhaps you're facing foreclosure and need to sell your house quickly, or maybe you're going through a divorce and need to liquidate your assets. Whatever the reason, selling your house for cash can be a great option because it allows you to avoid the hassle and uncertainty of listing your house on the market and waiting for a buyer. How it works. Selling your house for cash is easy with Need a Fair offer. Here's how it works. Contact us, fill out the form on this page, or give us a call to get started. We'll ask you a few questions about your property and set up a time to come see it. We'll make you an offer. After seeing your property, we'll make you a cash offer. You're free to accept or reject the offer. There's no obligation. We'll close on your schedule. If you accept our offer, we'll close on your schedule. We can close in as little as 7 days or as long as you need. Why choose Need a Fair offer? When you sell your house to Need a Fair offer, you're working with a team of experienced professionals who are dedicated to making the process as easy and stress-free as possible. We'll handle all the paperwork and take care of any repairs or cleaning that needs to be done. Plus, we pay cash for houses in any condition, so you don't have to worry about making any repairs or upgrades before selling.